Welcome to the SPX options trading series by alphacrunching.com. Now let's get into the video. This SPX indicator from alphacrunching.com helps you stay on the right side of the market so you can make high probability trades, and we are referring to this indicator as the SPX weekly options blueprint. Here's how it works. You sign into alphacrunching.com before the trading day begins to get the blueprint or price forecast for that particular day. For this example, we're looking at Monday for the week of November 21st, 2022. On this day, the forecast was projecting a choppy morning with an upside bias until the mid-afternoon, with a potential late day fade on the horizon. Now that we have the forecast for the day, we can start looking for confirmation once the market opens. Now, there are multiple ways to use chart confirmation, and one way is to use options analysis to see what the overall market sentiment is. For this particular day, we got the choppy morning we were sort of expecting, but the put premiums started to rise as call premiums were falling, indicating negative sentiment for the day, so I did not go long in the morning. Now, I did go short in the afternoon though, because the SPX blueprint showed a potential late day fade as we saw, and the negative sentiment shown by the options market was still bearish as of late afternoon. I ended up selling an at the money call credit spread on SPX at 2:39 p.m. I was able to get $230 for credit, and I was able to buy it back in less than an hour for $135, letting me pocket the difference. Adding the SPX weekly option blueprint from alphacrunching.com with your preferred method of chart confirmation can help you stay on the right side of the market so you can make high probability trades like this one.